Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce the latest features of Snipo. First up, Snipo now seamlessly integrates with Chrome's side panel. With just a click on the extension icon, you can access settings and opt for the side panel as your preferred notes mode. It's that easy. The new mode is available exclusively for Chrome. Your video and notes seamlessly coexist within the same window. Say goodbye to using different windows. We've also introduced support for custom Notion databases. By default, you're using Page Snipo notes and our predefined video databases. You can still use it without any restrictions. It's fine. If you prefer to utilize your own database with custom properties, our latest feature empowers you to do just that. Any new notes will seamlessly integrate into your chosen database, and you can easily migrate previous notes after setting up the integration. To enable this feature, just click on the extension icon, head to Settings, and select Notion Settings. Next, choose your desired Notion database. Using the search function, locating your custom database is a breeze. Then, proceed to map your Notion properties to Snipo data according to your preferences. Whether you configure all fields or opt to skip some, just select Not Set and simply hit Save. Let's click on Take Notes under any videos, and voila! You're now utilizing your custom Notion database seamlessly within Snipo. Unlock the full potential of Snipo by upgrading to Snipo Premium. Simply click on the Premium tab and choose the monthly or annual plan that suits you best. With the yearly subscription, you can save up to 25%. We accept payment through credit card, Google Pay, or PayPal for your convenience. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We're always striving to make Snipo the best it can be. So, if you have any suggestions or feedback, use canny.io. We'd love to hear from you.